Welcome to my channel, guys. In this video I will tell you how to cut or trim the part of a video in Capcut. So it is easy, so please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, when you open Capcut, then tap on new project. After that, select the video you want to edit. So I selected the video. Now tap on add option in the bottom. Now the video has added to Capcut. So you should have to simply tap on the layer. Now the video layer has been selected, so you can drag it anywhere. Then simply tap on split option in the bottom left corner. Now the video has been split in two parts. Now you can, if you want to delete this part, so select this and tap on delete option. But if you want to delete this part, simply select this and tap on delete option. And suppose I tapped on it. Now the second part has been deleted. So that is the method. So hope you will like this video. Thanks.